Hello, you are studying the chapter 7 coordinate geometry. Exercise and examples you will see. In the example number 1, example 1 is given. Example 1 is given here. Do the points the 3, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 2 minus 3 and 2, 3 form a triangle. If it is a triangle, if so, name the type of triangle formed. Name the type of triangle formed. So very simply PQR you will get. All you, here it is given ABC or PQR. ABC you take. Find out AB with the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and you will get 25 plus 25. What are you getting? 25 plus 25, that will be 50, root 50. That is 7 7 is 49, 7.21, 7.07 approx. By square root you will find out. If you don't know, then you can apply the division method like this. Pairing 50, then this, then this. Okay, like this you will find out AB, and what will you get? Now you find out the BC. BC will be x2 minus x1, again 2 minus 2 means 2 plus 2 whole square, plus 3 minus 3 means 3 plus 3. Why? Because 3 minus minus 3 is here. So 2 plus 2 4, 4 is 16, 3 plus 3 6, 6 is 36, and you will get root 52. It is root 52 is more than root 50, that you know. It is a 7.21 approx. 7.21 what is given in the book. AC you can get AC. It is x2 and it is x1. So what will you get here? x2 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square. That is 2 minus 3 minus 1 means 1. What will 1 square means you will get the 1. And then you are getting 3 minus 1, 1 plus 1. What are you getting? Exactly you will get under root 2. Under root 2 is 1.41. So you are getting, check whether this is forming a triangle or not. Since the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. 7 plus 1. Sum of two sides greater than third side. AB plus BC. Already 7 and it is greater than AC. AB plus AC greater than BC, you can see. AB plus AC, 7 plus 1 8 greater than 7, and BC plus AC is greater than AB. BC is this, 7 plus 1 8, 8 is greater than 7, that's why. So it forms triangle. So it forms triangle. What type of triangle you can apply? The Pythagoras also you can apply here. 52. AB is the largest one, is BC. BC square is equal to root 52 square is equal to 52. AC square plus AB square. AC square plus AB square is equal to root 2 square plus root 50 square gives you 2 plus 50. It is a 52. So you are getting AC square plus AB square is equal to BC square. By converse of Pythagoras, it is a right triangle. What type of triangle? It is a right triangle. Like this, another example is given. So you are seeing solution 2. Show the point, these are vertices of a square. 1 7 4 2. Example 2 is given. 1 7 4 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, and it is given minus 4 minus 4. So square, suppose it is a square. Square property, you know, A, B, C and D. We will say it is A, B, C and D. Rhombus also have the same thing. All the vertices you will write down. Find AB by distance formula. Find BC by distance formula. Find CD by distance formula. Find AD by distance formula. We will find out all the vertices you write down x1, y1, x2, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2, x2, like this. And all four sides when you will get equal. In the book it is solved. So you will get all the four sides are equal. It has a two possibilities. It may be a square or rhombus. For the square, you will get diagonals also. What will you get? You find out diagonals also. AC you find out. AC you find out means if it is A and it is C, minus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 square plus 4 minus 7 square. That will be 25 plus 9. So you will get 25 plus 9. 4 plus 5, 4 minus 3, 3 3 the 9, that you will get 7 plus 1, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, AC and BD, minus 1 is there. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, ACO. Here it is the AC. AC I have given wrong. So what will you get? AC. AC you find out. What is first you write the coordinate here. What is then there will be no confusion. AC, that is A1 comma 7 and C is minus 1 comma minus 1. So minus 1 minus 2. So what will you get? 2 to the 4. Minus 1 minus 7, 8 just 64 will give you 68. Under root 68. Like this BD, what is the B? 4 comma 2 and minus 4 comma 4. So 4 minus 4 minus plus 8. BD will be also under root 4 plus 4, 8 just 64. 2 minus 4 minus 2 to the 4 and you will get again 68. So because the diagonals are equal, so it is a square. You will apply the properties because the diagonals are equal and all the sides are also equal. What are you getting? Under root 34. You will get under root 34 in all. So all are under root 34 as well as, so there is a two possibilities, rhombus or square, then diagonals also very important. Next question, example 3 is given. In the example 3 there is a graph given. So in the graph you find out example 3, how will you get? In the example 3 very simply it is given the graph. And by this you will find out ABC, there is a 3, graph is given ABC. What is the coordinate of A? Coordinate of A is 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1. Coordinate of B is 6 comma 4. Like and coordinate of C is 8 comma 6. All the coordinates you find out. Your question is show that the Ashima, Bharti and Camilla are seated at these places 8 comma 6. Give the reason for you. Do you think they are seated in the straight line? So very important, straight line, sum of these two must be equal to. You find the distance AB. What will you find out? AB, BC, AC. Sum of AB plus BC, because it is given like this, here A, here B, here C. If sum of AB plus BC is equal to AC, AB plus BC is equal to AC, then it is a straight line. Then it is a straight line. So by distance formula you are getting 3 root 2, here also 2 root 2, here 5 root 2. You are getting by this AC. So 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2 gives you 5 root 2. 3 plus 2, 5 root 2. So it is in the straight line. Simply you are getting this. Question example number 4 is given. Find the relation between x and y. Very important. Find the relation between x and y. How will you find out the relation between x and y if distance is given? If what is given? Xy, point P xy is equidistant. A point P which is x comma y, example number 4, has equidistance from 2.71 A and another is second point B 3 comma 5. It is given these two are equal. So PA is equal to PB. So calculate PA. Therefore, PA square is also equal to PB square. What is the PA square? So you can write 7 minus x or x minus 7, 7 minus x square plus 1 minus y square. Here it is y. Under root is equal to PB 3 minus x square plus 5 minus y square whole square. It is given because PA and PB whole square is reducing the root. So you will get 7 minus x square plus 1 minus y square is equal to 3 minus x square plus 5 minus y square. All the open the bracket, 7 7 is 49 minus 47 2 is 14x plus x square plus 1 plus y square minus 2y is equal to a minus b whole square, 9 minus 6x plus x square, 25 minus 10y plus y square. So all the squares cancel, x square y square cancel by x square y square, 49 plus 1 50 minus 14x minus 2y is equal to 34 minus 6x minus 10y. So all you transpose one side, 50 minus 34 minus 14x plus 6x minus 2y plus 10y is equal to 0. So 6 plus 4 10, 3 plus 1 minus 8x plus 8y is equal to 0. 8 1 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 minus x plus y is equal to 0. So you can write x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. It is the relation between x and y. Or you can write x minus y is equal to 2. So it is x minus y is equal to 2, and this is your example number 4. Okay. So example number 4 you are getting. Exercise is not over in this. In the next lecture I will tell you. Thanks.